Ever wondered how to speak volumes without saying a word? The art of tacit impact holds the key to influencing others without uttering a single sentence. Join me on a journey to unravel the mysteries of nonverbal communication and subtle cues and discover how these silent signals can shape more positive and fulfilling relationships. In this exploration, we'll dive into the nuances of tacit impact, understanding how nonverbal communication and subtle cues wield extraordinary influence. Our goal is to equip you with practical insights on how to master this art, fostering connections that go beyond words, leading to richer and more meaningful relationships. Understanding the art of tacit impact. Ever heard the saying, "Actions speak louder than words"? Well, that's the essence of the art of tacit impact. It's all about communicating, influencing, and connecting without uttering a single word. Picture it as a silent dance where nonverbal cues take center stage, weaving a narrative that goes beyond the confines of language. Let's define tacit impact. It's the skill of shaping the perceptions and emotions of others without relying on verbal communication. It's the unspoken language that allows you to connect with people on a deeper level, fostering understanding and building meaningful relationships. Consider it as the ability to convey warmth, confidence, or empathy through a simple glance, a subtle gesture, or the way you carry yourself. Mastering the art of tacit impact is like discovering a secret code that unlocks doors to more positive and fulfilling connections. It's about creating an atmosphere where words become secondary, and the silent language of nonverbal cues takes the lead. Now, here's the key insight. Becoming proficient in tacit impact requires practice and self-awareness. It's not about mastering a complicated set of rules. It's about tuning into your own nonverbal signals and understanding how they shape the way others perceive you. It's the subtle art of being mindful of your body language, facial expressions, and overall demeanor. Imagine it as a skill you can cultivate, like learning to play a musical instrument. The more you practice, the more attuned you become to the silent melodies of your own nonverbal cues. So, let's embark on this journey together, exploring the depths of tacit impact and uncovering how the silent language of nonverbal communication can become a powerful tool for more meaningful and positive relationships. Nonverbal communication and subtle cues. Now that we've set the stage for understanding the art of tacit impact, let's dive into the elements that make it come alive: nonverbal communication and subtle cues. These are the building blocks of the silent language, and their importance in influencing others cannot be overstated. Think of nonverbal communication as the silent conductor of an orchestra. It includes body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice, all the cues that convey messages without uttering a single word. Imagine the power of a genuine smile, the confidence in a firm handshake, or the warmth in a friendly gaze. These are the notes in the symphony of nonverbal communication that can create a lasting impact. The key lies in being aware of your own nonverbal cues and using them intentionally. It's about recognizing the silent signals you're sending out into the world and understanding how they contribute to the overall melody of your communication. When you intentionally harness the power of your body language and facial expressions, you can create a more positive and engaging presence. Consider this: when you enter a room with a relaxed posture and a welcoming smile, you're setting the stage for positive interactions. Your nonverbal cues become a silent invitation for connection. Similarly, a confident and calm tone of voice can instill trust and convey assurance in your communication. Building trust and rapport is another significant aspect of nonverbal communication. It's like a silent contract between individuals, established through consistent and authentic nonverbal signals. Picture it as a handshake of understanding that goes beyond words, creating a foundation for positive relationships. Practical tips for mastering the art of tacit impact. Now that we grasp the significance of tacit impact and the role of nonverbal communication, let's delve into actionable tips to master this art. Consider these as practical tools in your toolkit, empowering you to influence others positively without uttering a word. Cultivate mindfulness and self-awareness. Start by practicing mindfulness, the art of being present in the moment. Take a moment to observe your own nonverbal cues in various situations. Are your gestures open and inviting, or does tension manifest in your body language? Cultivating self-awareness allows you to understand the silent signals you naturally emit. Mirror body language. One effective technique in tacit impact is mirroring. This involves subtly mimicking the body language of the person you're interacting with. Mirroring creates a sense of rapport and connection, fostering a more positive and harmonious interaction. Be mindful not to mimic too overtly. Subtlety is key. Utilize eye contact. The eyes are powerful conveyors of emotion and intent. Maintaining appropriate eye contact signals confidence, attentiveness, and sincerity. In conversations, establish a comfortable level of eye contact to convey engagement and build a connection. Employ a calm and confident tone of voice. Your tone of voice communicates more than just words. Aim for a tone that exudes calmness and confidence. Speak at a moderate pace, avoiding rushed or monotone speech. This not only influences how others perceive you but also sets a positive tone for the interaction. Be mindful of facial expressions. Your face is a canvas of emotions. Be conscious of your facial expressions, ensuring they align with the message you wish to convey. A genuine smile, a raised eyebrow of interest, or a nod of understanding can significantly enhance the impact of your communication. Pay attention to proximity. Consider the physical distance between you and others. Adjust your proximity based on the context and cultural norms. Being mindful of personal space communicates respect and awareness, contributing to a positive and comfortable environment. Adapt to the situation. Tacit impact is dynamic and context-dependent. Adapt your nonverbal cues to fit the situation. In a professional setting, maintain a composed and attentive demeanor, while in a casual setting, you might express warmth and openness more freely. By incorporating these practical tips into your daily interactions, you can elevate the art of tacit impact. Remember, it's not about manipulation but about creating positive connections authentically. Embrace these tools, practice them regularly, and witness how the silent language of nonverbal cues can transform your relationships positively. Unveiling the impact in everyday interactions. Now that we've equipped ourselves with practical tips for mastering tacit impact, let's unfold the narrative of how these subtle cues operate in everyday interactions. Consider this section as a glimpse into real-life scenarios, illustrating the transformative power of nonverbal communication and the art of tacit impact. Silent dialogues in meetings. Imagine a professional setting, a meeting room buzzing with discussions. Observe how individuals use their body language, gestures, and eye contact. A confident posture and engaged expressions silently communicate enthusiasm, contributing to a positive atmosphere. It's a silent dance where nonverbal cues set the tone for collaboration and understanding. The power of a warm greeting. Picture a friend you haven't seen in a while. As you approach, their face lights up with a genuine smile, and their body language exudes warmth. That simple, nonverbal greeting speaks volumes, creating an immediate connection and setting a positive tone for the encounter. Creating inclusive spaces. In a social gathering, observe how nonverbal cues contribute to the inclusivity of the space. Individuals who maintain open body language and make eye contact with others create an environment of acceptance. These subtle signals foster a sense of belonging and contribute to positive group dynamics. Navigating challenging conversations. Think about a difficult conversation where words might fall short. Here, nonverbal cues play a crucial role. Maintaining a calm demeanor, employing active listening cues, and using reassuring gestures can convey empathy and understanding. The silent language of nonverbal communication becomes a bridge to navigate through challenges. Expressing gratitude without words. Consider a moment of gratitude. A simple nod, a heartfelt smile, or a genuine gesture of appreciation can convey more than words. In these instances, nonverbal cues become expressions of genuine emotion, creating a positive exchange that goes beyond verbal language. Setting the tone for collaboration. Envision a collaborative project where team members share ideas. The subtle act of mirroring, coupled with open body language, establishes a harmonious atmosphere. Nonverbal signals of agreement and encouragement silently guide the flow of ideas, contributing to a positive and productive collaboration. Small gestures, big impact. Reflect on the impact of small, nonverbal gestures, a pat on the back, a friendly wink, or a thumbs up. These gestures, often spontaneous and unspoken, have the power to uplift spirits, convey encouragement, and contribute to a positive and supportive environment. In these everyday scenarios, the art of tacit impact reveals itself as a silent force shaping the dynamics of our interactions. It's not about grand gestures but the consistent and intentional use of nonverbal cues that create a positive ripple effect. As you navigate your daily encounters, be mindful of these silent dialogues, and witness the transformative influence of the art of tacit impact in action. If you're still watching, I want to express my gratitude for your attention. Please feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. If you found this video inspiring, please take a moment to share it with someone who might need it. Your support is greatly appreciated. Until next time.